Let's do some EFT tapping together to release expectations. All good to have positive intentions for things, but when you have expectations one way or another, well, life tends to do whatever it's going to do. And you may have noticed you can get kind of burned by holding expectations. So let's go to the side of the hand. So even though I have some expectations that I'm holding on to, I choose to accept myself. Even though I'm holding some expectations, and that may be affecting my flexibility, my relaxation, my sense of well-being. And I choose to honor myself and everything I'm feeling. Even though I'm holding on to expectations, whether they're good or bad, right or wrong, holding this expectation is affecting my energy. And it may be influencing some of my decisions or some of my behaviors based on an expectation when the reality could go all sorts of ways. So I choose to honor and accept myself and everything I'm feeling. Okay, through the points. These expectations. The expectations I'm holding. And maybe some of these are well-intended. Maybe I expect things to go well. And I might be holding on to that, thinking that's going to guarantee anything. I may also be holding on to some negative expectations. This isn't going to work out. It never works out. This person's not going to show up. All this energy I'm holding that's influencing me when I expect something to happen. It's much more difficult to adapt in the moment, to go with the flow of whatever might happen. And so I know it can be uncomfortable. And I'm allowing myself to feel that discomfort. My mind wants to know what's going to happen so it can prepare for it. But in that preparation, it changes my energy. If I expect this to go badly, then I'm limiting myself. I will see less options. I will have less energy. And if I'm expecting it to go great, if I'm expecting something of another person, or expecting something of myself, such as perfection, when things don't unfold that way, as they often do not, there's extra suffering. My mind is taken aback. This doesn't look the way I expected. It's actually okay. It's actually safe. And it's actually more effective to go in without an expectation. I can intend something positive. I can visualize something positive. I can do whatever I need to do to prepare on a practical level. And then I can show up with complete openness. So, literally anything could happen here. The power could go out. There could be some crazy traffic situation. All sorts of crazy things have actually happened. So I can intend the best. But I can be open. And I want to allow my system to have an experience, to explore what it would feel like, to say, I'm here and I'm present, but I have no expectation. Even if I have a history with something, there's always going to be a first time when it goes differently. So I can be open and flexible. I don't have to expect it to go right. I don't have to expect it to go wrong. I can prepare as needed, but allowing myself to feel that there's an open space when I relax expectation. Whatever happens here, I am here and present, and allowing myself to trust that whatever happens, I can adjust in the moment. And the more clear and present I am, the easier that will be to do. Just allowing it all to release. Okay, take a breath. Hope that helps you. Keep exploring that. Keep exploring the freedom of having no expectation, even no expectation of what that tapping round is going to do. Realize there's an openness in it, and you can still prepare, you can still intend, you can still do whatever works for you. All right, thanks so much. I will see you on the next video.